Shemai, hi everyone, it's Harry here. I'm 14 years old and I'm a Welsh international table tennis player. I'm currently an RCT Gold Card member as I play for Table Tennis Wales and Glamorgan. Now I really want to tell you how great table tennis is and how easy it is to start it now. Table tennis sets are cheap and easy to buy and can easily be played with on nearly any surface. You don't even need a table tennis table. So that's why I'm here today to show you some simple tips on how to get you started. Tip number 1, get to know your bat. So for this, we're going to practice bouncing our ball up and down carefully as we keep our eyes on the ball at all times, like this. So, perhaps once you've got the hang of this, you could even try switching sides when you bounce it as well, like this. Now if you really want to challenge yourself, you could even try bouncing the ball on the edge of your bat as well, like this. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2, get to know your table. So if you're playing with family or friends, you can simply hit the ball back and forth with them. But if you don't have anyone to play with, you can play against the wall. So we're going to hit the ball back and forth against the wall, gently. That's tip number 2. So for tip number 3, get your game on. Now this is a little challenge where we can use paper cups or water bottles. So for this, we're going to put our paper cups down at the end of our table and practice knocking them off. Now what this is going to do is help us improve our accuracy. So when we go to hit it, we bounce our ball and we hit it. We go bounce, hit. And again, bounce, hit. And again, bounce, hit. That's tip number 3. So that's it all from me. I hope you give it a go. Hopefully you stay safe and we'll see you soon. Hwyl fawr, bye bye.